Hey people, so in this particular video, I want to speak of the fact that as of yesterday, I was sitting and making the बस यूं ही birth chart of friends and family and all in terms of they say uh, order is heaven's first law. So nothing in the universe that happens at random. Like unlike the videos that I make, which are like random. But but seriously, people, it's so that's what. Depending on the time of your birth, there have been certain like planetary movements that kind of influence the kind of person you will become. So this book is called Personology. It is a 958 page book, मोटा सा book है. So yeah, now suddenly people will send me requests to sing, but yeah, I'll be keen, I think, to थोड़ा सा भी हेल्थ का ऐसे स्लाइटली गड़बड़ हो रहा है, स्लाइटली, बट या birth charts are interesting. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.